Hi, welcome all to my channel QS Center Testing Hub. I am Pranith here and I am starting with my 8th video of the series Java Basic Programs for Interviews. So my program is basically divided into two parts, and the program is to find the number of duplicate characters in a string. So I am taking the string input here. I am giving any random string, like for example I am giving Happy New Year 2. So this is the string. So my intention is to find the number of duplicate characters. If you see clearly, for example, I see here P is repeated, so P is duplicate character in the string. Likewise, E is also repeated, so E should be also written that it is a duplicate character. Okay, so this is the string. I'm having an integer variable cnt initialized to 0, and I'm defining a character array which will basically as INP, which will basically convert the string to characters. So each of these characters will be separated and stored into the character array INP. Okay, so there is a to-char array function in Java which converts the string to characters. So once it is converted, the next step will be to print the duplicate characters. So for printing the duplicate characters, there is a logic defined here using two for loops. So using the two for loops, it will basically define the integer I equal to 0 and I less than str.length. So it will find the length of the string. So in this case, roughly I can see it is 5 plus 6 11 12. Roughly it is 12. So it will compare I, that is 0 to 0 with 12, and it will go inside this loop. In this loop also, it will take the second position, that is A, and it will be basically in the if loop, it will compare the first position element with the second position element, and if it is equal, it will print it and just increment and break out of the loop, the innermost loop. So in this case, it is not equal. So what it will do is, it will increment cnt, the counter, by not increment the counter by 1 and break simply. So it will continue doing this until all the elements in the character array INP are completed, and print the output accordingly. So let me run this program and show you what the output is being printed. So this is the output that is printed in the console. It is clearly mentioning that these characters are getting repeated. So you can see A is being repeated, there is a P character also getting repeated, Y is getting repeated here, and here E is getting repeated. Okay, so this was a short program, but it is a very frequent program being asked during interviews. So please make it a habit to know the code and understand the logic behind it. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.